Hello there, this is my channel Tukustuzarion. Motivate me and support me by subscribing my channel. I'll continue the next lesson, which is to cloud computing. Introduction to cloud. What do you mean by it? This is the second emerging technology in this textbook next to big data. When we say cloud, it is an internet. It's a cloud internet-based internet service. Cloud-based, it's an internet-based drive that enables you not only to store, it enables you to process or to make further processing after storing an amount of data. It's possible to exchange, it's possible to add additional thing, or it's possible to remove from the already stored data. It's possible to use storage drives, it's possible to use softwares, it's possible to use platforms also as a whole. We'll see next services of cloud computing. But what do you mean by cloud computing? Just a personal computer can store personal data in a specific drive using C drive, or may have a partition, or using other secondary storage device like external storage drives or removable disks. But when you come to this technology, it's possible to use also in 21st century, it's possible to use also cloud drives, possible to store data on a network or over the internet. Then after storing a network, possible to access being at any time, being at any locations. When you come to here cloud computing, it is defined as storing and accessing data and computing services over the internet. Possible to store, possible to access data and computing services over the internet. Does not store any data on your personal computer. It says it does not store any data on your personal computer. Personal computer stores data in a fixed amount. Any data stored, any computer have its own specific disk drive, and it relies on hard disk. When you come to this technology, when you come to this emerging technology, does not store any data on your personal computers. Any personal computers have a fixed hard disk or local disk. When you come to this technology, it have an internet access to store data. Computing services like servers, data storage, networking, database, extra are all available on demand. On demand, it is on demand based emerging technology. You can gain access a storage drive, we can gain access a network, database, and also we can gain a software access over this technology. The main advantage of cloud computing is it gives access to many users from single data center, which allows users to store and access data over the internet without any limitations. In case of if we have this technology possible to access with a single data center, it's possible to store any amount of data. It's possible to use also access, and it's possible to modify a data stored in cloud. But when you say it may have a limitation based on the rent, based on our access, it may have a limitations here. Cloud computing, when you say, for instance, Google Drives, like one Google, they have their own limitations. When we see the Google Drive, it gives about 15 GBs. So the limitations of storing data. Then possible to store about 15 gigabyte, and it's possible to modify the data at any time. We can access and we can modify the data found in Google Drive or OneDrive, which have all experienced cloud computing at one point. The goal of cloud computing is to provide easy and flexible access to computing resources and IT services. Various which hardware and software components are required for the proper use of cloud computing model. Using this technology, it's possible to use anytime, anywhere, and it's possible to modify not only data, it's possible also rent hardwares, and it's possible to use, and it's possible to use softwares also in cloud computing. Here the cloud computing basics is as a figure here. We can gain if you have a cloud computing technology or emerging technology. We must have servers are participating in cloud computing. The software platforms can get a service as a given as a service, and applications are can be gained through cloud computing. Servers can be gained cloud computing. The storage data can be get through cloud computing. Here is a router. The router was the help of a router. A router helps to get an internet service. We have a service provider. From the service provider, we can get an internet access. We must have in this emerging technology, we must have internet access and other emerging technologies too. People are using different types of cloud-based service or email communications, document management, entertainment, and e-commerce services. People are using for variety of purposes. For instance, we may emails. For our emails are gained from cloud computing, from the servers like Google or other later servers. Document management can be gained from cloud computing like Google Drive. Entertainment based like Netflix, they gives YouTube, they are cloud computing. And e-commerce like Amazon are cloud computing services. Examples of cloud-based services include, but not limited to Gmail, Google Maps, Amazon, Netflix, PayPal, Spotify, Adobe Creative Cloud, Kindle. These are some of the servers they give cloud computing. We can send email, receive mail. Already the sent and received mails are stored under each directory or folder. It's possible to view, to access. And Google Drive can give us an access of storing data. Google Map it's possible to view. Maps, the Amazon it gives the e-commerce. The Netflix it's possible to view and access video-based files. The same to others. These are examples of cloud computing technologies nowadays. Let me show you as a practical. Any computer hub, any personal computer hub is on fixed drive, which is a local disk, or you may have a partition. Any computer storage drive, a data program lies on the hard disk. Rather than using these drives, possible to store using the network, like using OneDrive, and it's possible to use also Google Drive. By using Google Drive, it's possible to store data. It's possible to share information also. After storing our data inside Google Drive, it's possible to update, to view the files under the Google Drive. For today, it's enough. Thank you. I'll continue in the next session. Motivate me and support me by subscribing my channel.